it's Miss Kendra. I'm here to do a quick Artic video today, focusing on the P sound. When we make the P sound, we close our lips together like this, and we make a quiet popping noise like this. Pop, pop, pop. I bet you can do that too. Can you help me find some Easter eggs? Put on your listening ears. Let's get started. Ooh, my first egg has a smiley, kissy face. Look at that heart. Can you make a kiss? Mwah! They feel loving. Let's open the egg. What's inside? It's a hippo. Hippos are big animals. Look at his big mouth. Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Hippo. Good job. Lips together. Hippo. Awesome work. One more time. Hippo. Oh my gosh, amazing. Let's do another egg. Oh no, he is crying. That means he is sad. Let's open the egg. Oh, it's a pony. Oh, you can ride a pony, and this pony is red. Let's see if we can say that word together. Lips together. Pony. Good job again. Pony. One more time. Pony. I love it. Your lips went pop, pop, pop. What's in the next egg? Ooh, he looks worried. Look at his teeth. Can you make a worried face? Oh no! Let's open the egg. What's inside? It's a pepper. Peppers are a food you can eat. They can be red or yellow or green. Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Lips together. Quiet. Pepper. Whoa, two more. Pepper. Good job, last one. Pepper. Whoa! What is in the laughing face? He is laughing. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Let's open the laughing egg. He must be happy. Ooh, I see a zipper. Do you have a zipper? Maybe on your pants? Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Zipper. Good job. A little bit faster. Zipper. Let's put it all together. Are you ready? Zipper. Good job with your lips together. I like the way you're looking at my mouth. What's in the happy face? Let's open the happy face. Oh my word! Another happy face? This green circle is smiling. Can you smile? That means you are happy. Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Happy. Good job again. Happy. Amazing. One more time. Happy. I love it. You made me so happy. Uh-oh. A poop egg? That's so silly. He has a face. Let's open the egg. Oh, P.U. That's stinky. I see a banana. What do you do with a banana? You eat a banana. And you can peel a banana. We're going to say the word peel. Heel. Are you ready? Lips together. Eel. Two more. Eel. Last one. Eel. Way to go, friend. Oh my word, a gold egg? What's in the gold egg? Let's open it up. It's a top. A top is a toy that you can spin. Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Top. Again. Top. One more. Top. Good P sound. Pop, 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 pop. I like the way it's quiet. Ooh, a few more eggs. What's in? Oh, a big happy face. Look at that smile with all those teeth. Let's open it up. Ooh, I see a kangaroo. And what does a kangaroo like to do? Swim? No, that's silly. A kangaroo likes to hop, hop, hop. And it has our P sound at the end. Can you guys help me? Let's say hop. Good job again. Hop. One more. Hop. Whoa! Two more eggs. Oh, a heart face. This egg has two red heart eyes. That means they feel loving. Like you might love your mommy or your grandma or maybe your pet. Let's open the egg. What's inside? I see a cup. A green cup. You can drink from a cup. What do you like to drink? Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Cup. Good job again. Cup. Good P sound. One more. Cup. Excellent work. Last egg. This is a mad face. Can you make a mad face? That means you feel angry. Let's open up the mad egg. Oh, it's a piggy. Where does a piggy live? On the farm. That's right. He says oink, oink, oink. Let's say that word together. Are you ready? Let's put your lips together. Pig. Good job. Two more. Pig. Way to go. One more. Pig. Excellent job, my friends. I'm so happy you came to see me today. We'll do some more practice next time, but until then, see you later, alligator. Bye.